There's something truly special about peanut butter cookies. Is it the irresistible aroma that fills the kitchen as they bake, or the way they melt in your mouth with each bite? These cookies are pure comfort food. They're simple to make and even more fun to eat. Let's get baking. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. We'll need creamy peanut butter, the heart of our cookies. Grab some granulated sugar and brown sugar for sweetness and texture. Don't forget the eggs, they'll bind everything together. Finally, we'll need all-purpose flour, baking soda, and salt to give our cookies their structure. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, cream together the peanut butter and sugars until light and fluffy. Beat in the eggs one at a time. In a separate bowl, whisk together the flour, baking soda, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients, mixing until just combined. Now, shape the dough into 1-inch balls. Place the balls on ungreased baking sheets. Using a fork, flatten each ball twice, creating a crisscross pattern. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Let the cookies cool on the baking sheets for a few minutes before transferring them to wire racks to cool completely. Use fresh ingredients for the best flavor. Don't overmix the dough, as this can make the cookies tough. If the dough is too sticky, chill it in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes before shaping. For extra chewy cookies, bake for a shorter amount of time. For crispier cookies, bake for a longer amount of time. These classic peanut butter cookies are perfect for any occasion, from casual weeknight treats to festive holiday gatherings.